Miss Oracle, Cosmic Blaster, Rail XO, Set the Greatest, whatever you want to call me, whatever I go as these days. Never for 19 to be exact, delivered from the cosmos, infinite being. But today, this infinite being comes with product review. Yes. Today we have the Supreme Alpha Restore up for review. You may ask, what is Supreme Alpha Restore? Definitely pure zinc, copper, and silica nanoparticles. I don't have to go over this whole nanoparticle thing with you over and over, but you know what you want to see. I don't even see it on this bottle. There we go. As long as we have parts per million labeled, so we can check it if you need to check it. If you don't trust, which I do trust, suspended in the water at a such a minute size, however you want to put it. It goes into the body, into the bloodstream, and does what it needs to do, which it restores all of this here you lose on the daily. This is also very good for just normal health maintenance, just period. Like, why we gotta be on medicine, you feel me? Don't nobody want to be on medicine, so. I like the color of this one, this light pink situation. I don't know if that's silica doing that, I don't know what's doing that, but I like the picture. I like the color of that, pretty picture. Pretty picture. But yeah, back to what I was saying. Hidden Power University, Alkaline Supreme, Supreme Alpha Restore. I get a load of this one, barely get sick. Most humans have deficiencies in silica, zinc, and copper. If you want, you should Google all the benefits of these three elements and why you should have them in your bloodstream. The Alpha Restore can do this all at once. Highly recommend. It also repairs testosterone production and DNA production, so that's a plus too.
This will definitely help and protect against COVID if you're into that, due to its liquid nano form, so look out for that.
Let's talk more about it. So, provided that this is a proprietary mixture, if you will, I don't know if it's a proprietary mixture, but it's not a singled out element like the previous ones I showed, so I'm not going to read such an expanded recording, if you get what I'm saying. Basically, I'm going to read this from the site. Alpha Restore was designed to restore and maintain optimal levels of critical minerals after being depleted by stress. What makes Alpha Restore so effective is its liquid form. The molecules are extremely small, which is the point I was trying to make. Benefits include strong immunity building properties, critical for the production of testosterone, replenishing minerals after menstrual cycles, supports mental alertness and mood, increases iron absorption, reduces joint pain, more. I'm gonna link the site so you can go read it yourself, because there's plenty more. Like I said, it's the overall maintenance medicine, just like silver. That about wraps it up for that.